goes. Okay, you guys might want to go
Out with the old,
under
and the
there.
new is coming in. Hang on there. Is that coming down when you take that out? That's a yes. So there's the plate that was from the existing microwave.
Like that door is hollow. Over there.
And we're really hoping that we don't have to replace this. I think these little brackets here hopefully will fit the new one. And we're hoping that these bolts will fit through these drilled spots from the old one that we did, I guess probably 20 years ago now. And this will be really easy if that's all we have to do. And we have success. This is nice. So this smaller little bracket came off the new microwave, and we're just gonna slip this into the old wall bracket.
The top ones don't
And
line up.
hope that the top ones line up, and we'll wait and see on that. Otherwise, we're replacing this whole bracket.
Do you have the other small?
So we couldn't get that to work with the old plate, so we had to take that off, the old plate off, and we're gonna end up putting the new one on. And we're just taking some measurements here. We found one stud, and we'll use plugs for the others. The issue that we have here is this. This is a hollow wall because of this door, which makes this project a little more challenging. So we're ready to put the new bracket on the wall, and you can see we had to drill a couple of holes here just to catch some spots that we thought
When you
would be
pull it that way, I'm off on these ones here, but
important to
I'm
hold
off
up
on
the microwave.
both of these. There I'm on them, and there I'm off.
Okay.
Here, bro.
Plate in. We've got one good stud here. And we're into plugs over here. That'll take the weight. That'll be good enough. And we notched out the plug was in at the cord. I'm sorry, was in a different spot on the new microwave, so we just notched that out. And we'll put her in.
Well, we have.
Bob's your uncle.
And I like it. I like it. Notched out part of the underside of the cupboard. Looking good. There she is. Sweet. New hole, old hole. The old one. These are old and new. And this is where the cord is coming for the plug. So we are good to go. And she's looking pretty good. And we've got a new inspector on the job. Bruin. There's our chief inspector right there. Never left our side for the whole process.
Hey, you know, we should save these.
There you go.